How to use the DICOM transfer and the settings. First, you need to turn on the Youkey wireless probe. Then you can see the serial number on Wi-Fi Connect page, and then click OK. After you connect the software with the wireless probe, you can go to the preset and set the DICOM local as the DICOM server requirements, the local A title, and also the DICOM server. It depends on the DICOM server IP address. And after you set everything, you need to disconnect the wireless probe and connect to the internet. So you can pin it. So you have the internet connection, and also set the DICOM A title and make it default. Then you can verify. After you set it succeed, you can save to image and select it. Select the DICOM server and you can see send succeed.